Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the Marvel Rivals if it's lagging or stuttering on your computer. Alright, first thing you need to do here is to update your system. Just go ahead and go to your search bar and type in system updates. Now once you're in here, just go ahead and click on check for updates and wait for it to load. Now once you're in here, just go ahead and click on check for updates. And if there are available updates for you, just go ahead and install those. Once done, restart your computer, launch the game again and see if it helps. Now if that won't work, update your graphics card drivers. To do so, if you are using an NVIDIA graphics card, you can locate the NVIDIA app right here at the taskbar, right click on it and hit on NVIDIA app or NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Alright, if you are using an Intel or AMD graphics card, look it up online on how to install your respective graphics card drivers. Now going back to NVIDIA, go to the drivers tab and make sure that you have installed the latest drivers for your GPU. If you have already installed it and you still have the problem, try to reinstall it. Alright, right here, as the previous update might have caught the issue. Alright, once done, make sure to restart your computer, launch the game again, and see if it helps. Now if that won't work, go to your search bar again and type in graphics settings. Right here, click on that. Make sure that hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on. And in here, in the graphics performance preference section, make sure that Marvel Rivals is set to high performance right here. Alright, if you don't know how to add your game, just go ahead and hit on browse. The game is usually located on C, Program Files x86, Steam, then Steam Apps, Common, and Marvel Rivals, then Marvel Game. Double click on it, click on Marvel, hit add. As you can see here, specified app was already added, which is this one. Once you have the game added, click on options and set this one to high performance. Once done, hit on save, launch the game again and see if it helps. Alright, another optimization tip, just go ahead and go to your search bar and type in game mode. Click on this one right here, make sure that game mode is enabled. And go to the left pane and click on game bar. Make sure that it is turned off for now. Alright, now in here in the search bar, just type in background apps. Right here, click on it. Make sure that background apps is turned off. Once done, launch the game and see if it helps. Now if that still won't work, or if your game still stutters and lagging, go ahead and open up your Steam app, go to library, go to the Steam section right here at the top left, go to settings, downloads, then clear cache. Once done, close this one, click on the game, right click, hit on properties, install files, then verify integrity of game files. After that, don't launch the game yet. Click on the game, right click on it, manage, browse local files. Again, Marvel Game, click on the game, right click on it, hit on properties, compatibility. You're going to want to make sure that disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator is ticked. Once done, go ahead and go to change high DPI settings. While we're here, just go ahead and tick this one, override high DPI scaling behavior, scale and perform by, make sure that it is set to application, hit OK to reduce input lag. Then once done, hit apply, hit OK, run the game again and see if it helps. Now if that still won't work, lowering the game's graphical settings will help fix the issue. To lower your game settings, just go ahead and go to the settings or gear icon right here at the top right, click on it. Now go to settings. In here, you're going to want to make sure that the display mode is set to full screen. Now in resolutions, try to use the lowest one that is available for your computer. Alright, like this one. Then in anti-aliasing and a super resolution type, click on the drop down. If you're using AMD or Intel, select AMD or Intel right here. As you can see, I'm using an NVIDIA graphics card, so I'm going to use NVIDIA DLSS. Then I'm going to set this to performance. Alright, once done, on frame generation mode, turn this on regardless of the graphics card that you're using. Low latency mode, make sure that it is set to low latency. Alright, limit FPS, make sure that this is disabled. Show FPS if you want to show the FPS, and the network stats. Now, most importantly, right here, the graphics settings. In graphics quality, make sure that it is set to the lowest for now, and you can play around with it later and see where your computer doesn't stutter. Alright, once done, just hit on apply, and there you have it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.